Hey y'all, it's Lila, and I just want to share one of my favorite products with y'all from Lila Luxury Beauty. So I am obsessed with our luxury lip scrubs because they tone, exfoliate, and brighten your lips. Your lips will literally kiss you after using this product. Our lip scrubs exfoliate your lips and give you an intense amount of hydration. So not only is this scrub getting all that dead skin off of your lips, but it's also moisturizing your lips. Our lip scrubs are completely organic and contain the essential oils that you need for beautiful, soft, plump lips. I also like to use our luxury lip scrubber when I'm exfoliating my lips. And this is a double-sided tool made perfect for exfoliation. This tool gently removes dry skin on your lips, making them smooth and soft. This tool also helps stimulate the blood circulation in your lips, making them appear more fuller. So if you want those Angelina Jolie lips, them Jay-Z lips, period, you need this tool. And then after I exfoliate my lips, of course, I gotta add a moisturizer. So I like to use Lila Luxury Beauty's Shea Butter and Vitamin E Lip Moisturizer. I love this lip moisturizer because it's filled with vitamins that will treat chapped lips instantly. This organic lip balm deeply hydrates your lips while protecting them from UV rays and sun damage. The winter is coming up and we do not want our lips chapped at all. So make sure you guys are moisturizing your lips. And this is the perfect moisturizer. You're gonna want one of these in your car, your purse, and every other coat pocket. This lip moisturizer is not greasy at all, but it will still nourish your lips, hydrate your lips, and protect them. And leave them looking soft, feeling smooth, licking smooth, all of that.